Installing Venetian Blinds Timber with Valance Face Fit. In this video, we will explain the Venetian blind face fit installation process step by step. Start by opening the box. Carefully cut the tape along the edge of the box to avoid damaging the blinds. Once you have all the parts and your tools ready, it's time to get started. Click the hook blocks onto the front of the headrail. If your window has an architrave, measure 7.5 centimetres in from the outer edges of the architrave and mark these points. For windows without an architrave, make sure it's evenly distributed across the width and mark both ends. The outer brackets are 7.5 centimetres from the markings you just drew. Install the brackets using the provided screws. If mounting into plasterboard, ensure the brackets are positioned to screw into a wall stud or timber framing behind the plaster. If additional brackets are supplied, distribute the rest of the brackets evenly in between the outer brackets. Turn the butterfly-shaped brackets into the back of the valance. Attach the side clips on both sides and slide the returns onto the slide clips. Now, simply hook the front edge of the headrail into the projecting part of the brackets, pushing it backwards and upwards with a slight rotating movement. When you hear a click, you know it's securely attached. Line up the valance blocks along the headrail to line up with the butterfly-shaped brackets. Press and click the valance onto the headrail. If your blinds are cord-operated, install the cord cleats or guide. Ensure they are installed clear of the blind to avoid obstruction. For child safety, place the cord holders at least 1.6 metres above the ground. And you're done! Your beautiful blind is ready for use.